So hey guys, I'm just getting back on this battery box repair job. This side is nice, and that's where the little battery's gonna go, little baby interstate. But this side, the guy never finished this off. He left it open, same as up top there. So I got a piece here, a little piece I cut, I'm gonna put in there. And then I got to get a piece to go up here. So I'm going to cut another piece there and then get welding. Try again. Trying to get this little plate in here. And then MIG welder ready. Need more hands. Okay. Okay, that's tacked in. Then I got to put this other one up here. Tack that in there too. Okay, got that one tacked in there. So it's that side is nice. This side here is way different because there's a big gap there. It's screwed up. The guy never finished this, so I'm gonna have to fill all that in and make it nice. So that'll be a bit of a job to do. But anyway, I got that started, and on to the next one. So we'll finish it off. Thanks for watching, guys. Get a little hot there. MIG welding here with 035 wire. Did a kind of a downhand there. It's hard to get in there. That's a little ropey there. And there's a little bead there. Kind of awkward in here, but that's no excuse. So this is a Hobart. It's a multi-handler, 200 MIG TIG and stick. So that's where I was on the volts and the inches per minute. It's a good little machine. I've had it about a year. Thank you for watching. That's a little bit better. I got it set a little better now, so that's a nice little MIG welding there.